Automated intelligence. Observe, position, evolve. The global economy is not collapsing, it is rewiring. For centuries, wealth was built through control of scarce resources, land, labor, capital. But scarcity has changed. Labor is increasingly automated. Information is abundant. Capital flows digitally. The system is not disappearing, it is transforming. This is the economic rewiring. For most of modern history, income followed a simple formula. Time multiplied by skill equals compensation. Work more hours, earn more money. Climb hierarchy. Increase salary. But automation disrupts this equation. When machines perform repetitive tasks faster and cheaper, time becomes less valuable. What increases in value is leverage. Leverage allows output to scale without proportional effort. The individual who understands leverage escapes linear income. Artificial intelligence is not merely a tool. It is multiplier infrastructure. With AI, a single individual can generate research in minutes, design marketing assets instantly, automate customer service, analyze markets in real time, build systems that operate continuously. Previously, such capability required teams. Now it requires understanding. AI does not create wealth automatically. It amplifies capacity. Those who learn to orchestrate it gain disproportionate advantage. A new class of economic actor is emerging, the automation entrepreneur, not necessarily a programmer, not necessarily a large-scale business owner, but a systems builder. They identify inefficiencies, they deploy automation, they create digital workflows, they build income streams that operate with minimal manual intervention. These entrepreneurs do not compete with labor, they compete with friction. Every inefficiency becomes opportunity. Every repetitive process becomes automatable, and automation scales. Traditional assets were tangible: property, factories, inventory, but digital systems now function as assets. Automated e-commerce systems, AI-powered content platforms, subscription-based digital products, algorithmically optimized investment portfolios. These assets operate continuously. They do not sleep. They do not require hourly wages. They require design and maintenance. But once structured properly, they compound. In the automated age, systems are assets. The creator economy has evolved. In previous decades, media required large studios. Now, individuals can build global audiences. With AI assistance, creators can research faster, script faster, edit faster, design faster, translate across languages, personalize content at scale. Distribution platforms amplify reach. Monetization models diversify income. Advertising, subscriptions, digital products, affiliate systems. The creator is no longer limited by manpower. They are limited by clarity and strategy. AI reduces friction. Strategy determines scale. In the rewired economy, wealth is built through layered leverage. Layer 1, knowledge understanding systems. Layer 2, automation, removing repetition. Layer 3, distribution, reaching audiences digitally. Layer 4, assets, building systems that compound. Most individuals stop at knowledge. Fewer automate. Even fewer build assets. And the rare minority master distribution. Those who integrate all 4 layers operate differently. They do not trade time. They design ecosystems. In the industrial era, competition was local. In the digital era, competition is global. An individual in one country can build services for another. AI reduces barriers further. Translation tools remove language friction. Automation reduces staffing requirements. Cloud infrastructure eliminates geographic constraints. Opportunity is no longer geographically bound, but neither is competition. This demands strategic positioning. Automation increases output, but it also increases disparity. Those who leverage systems accelerate. Those who ignore them stagnate. The Rewiring Rewards initiative. It penalizes passivity, but there is responsibility in this leverage. Systems must be ethical. Automation must align with value creation. Exploitation is short-term. Sustainable systems endure. Long-term wealth depends on trust. Trust depends on integrity, even in an automated age. The question is no longer, will AI take jobs? The question is, how will you position yourself within automated systems? Will you remain dependent on linear income? Or will you design leverage? Will you consume platforms or build on top of them? Will you automate others' visions or architect your own? The rewiring does not eliminate opportunity. It multiplies it, but only for those who adapt. You do not need to build a technology empire. You do not need advanced coding skills, but you must develop system awareness, automation literacy, strategic thinking, digital positioning. The automated age rewards clarity. It rewards initiative. It rewards intelligent design. Wealth in this era is less about effort and more about architecture. Automation compounds. Digital assets compound. Audience trust compounds. Intelligent systems compound. Compounding creates asymmetry. Small early advantages expand over time. Delay reduces leverage. Early adoption amplifies it. The rewiring is happening now, not in theory, in infrastructure. In workflows, in global commerce, the economy is not collapsing. It is reorganizing around intelligence, around automation, around digital systems, around leverage. In previous eras, capital controlled labor. In the automated era, automation becomes capital. Design becomes ownership. Systems become assets. Leverage becomes currency. The rewiring has begun, and those who understand it will not merely survive, they will scale. This is AION. Observe, design, leverage, evolve. Automation is the new capital.